you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you.
Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer Dr. Azral. We are from group number 18. The title for project we are doing is Library Management System. This is my group member name and with the metric number. Okay, the purpose or objective for this project is a console application without graphic development using the C programming language can perform book related operation like in a real library management with computer. Perform functions such as add book, return book, issue book, delete book of book issue, view record of book issue, search for book and more. File handling has been extensively used in this project for almost all functions. This project considers 6 departments: science, physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics, and history. This department works simultaneous with the operation mentioned. You can add a book to biology section or delete a book from physics section or view issue book detail of the chemistry department. Okay. In this project, we are use 11 or 10 function used in this mini project. First, void main menu. Second, void return. Number 3, void add book, void delete book, void edit book, and issue book, void view book. Number 4 is void issue record, void clause application, void int get data, int check, int void password, void Gotowski int or int y. Last, delay, unsigned int m second. And then the objective for this project is book searching is faster, time and effort saving. If we look in library, when we want to find a book, we must find by ourselves, looking by one department to other department to find the book. But with this project, with this mini project, this program, we can find a book only in computer and where the book only in computer, so it's easy and fast. We can borrow book, always monitor as well as a due date. Yes, in the program we have a due date, the name of the borrower. Yes, and the third generating report is faster, time and effort saving. Yes, time saving time. The number 4, important library record are placed in secure storage. If we use a manual, maybe when we write in the book or something, when the book is disappear, we cannot find who's to borrow the book or something. And the last one, human error, avoid and transaction attribute. Yes, no, if we use this project, we avoid from human error or something like wrong name, wrong time. We have used in that setting. Okay, now I will show the project demonstration. We use pseudocode and I will show the project demonstration with the pseudocode. Okay, hello, I will explain my pseudocode with the running program. Okay, this is our program, such as I have used void here, and this is my pseudocode. First, we start. Yes, we start. Okay, start the program. We compile, run. Okay, welcome screen here. Password protected. Enter password. Okay. Password we have used is student1. Okay, we enter. Get password from user. Okay, password mesh. If the password is correct, go to step 5. It's not correct, go to so now it's correct. So go to step 5, display my menu. Enter. Okay, now display main menu. F7 main menu there. Add book, delete book, search book, issue book, view book. Okay, after that, get choice from user. Okay, I choose number 1. Okay, I choose number 1. Okay, add book, declare file pointer, show categories of book to be added, get option from user, assign pointer to end of the file, to write, get data from user, write input data on a file, close file. Okay, now if I choose number 1. Okay, enter. Okay, categories, science, book ID. Book ID I put 1. Okay, book name. Example like stimulate. Okay, enter. After, maybe John. Okay, quantity only 1. After the borrower. Okay, and price like if you want to borrow, like deposit, example 2 ringgit. Okay, we enter. Rack number, ada rack number 1 or 2. Okay, record is successfully saved. Save anymore? No. No. Okay, if you want to check back the save book, number 5, book list number 5. Okay, there. Science number 1, stimulate John number 1. Hello, my name is Muhammad Shakir Ikram. Now I will explain some of the coding regarding to int check ID and int get data. Okay, now I will explain about int get data. So int get data is meaning is we want user to enter the information. Like, okay, first we compile a line. Okay, we compile a line. Okay, password. Oh, sorry. Correct. That's no problem. Okay, student what? Oh, something problem here. Okay, password mesh. Okay, we go to the add book one. Example mathematics 5. Okay, enter. Okay, here where the int get data function used for, they want the user, the information from the user, they want the user to put the information at here. Example, for book ID, the user put book ID number 1. Okay, book ID 1, book name fraction, example fraction here. Okay, the other is the user, book they want to borrow, the user want to borrow, author Shah. Okay, and quantity 1 book only. Okay, here the get data function. When the user insert the data, insert the information for the what we have what we want from the user, and this information will private and no one we can see. If when we want to see back, only the programmer can see, and we have program to this have saved in book list. Okay, enter, price 2 ringgit up, 2 ringgit, example block number 1. Save, no. Okay, you want to add anymore? No. Okay, you back to the main menu. Okay, that's the function for get data. What we want user to insert the information, that the get data the get data function. Okay, we close application 7. Okay, library management system is about to you code ABC system. Okay, and then I will explain about INT check ID. This INT check ID here. Okay, for the INT check ID, when after we save the information or something, we want to check back where the information have been saved. We want save after we use the get data. So function for this get ID is to print or to show the data back. So where the function using at, we run program. Okay, we insert the password. Oh, sorry, we insert the password student 1, password mesh, enter. Okay, we open the view book list number 5. Okay, here the function for get ID. After we use the get data private, we want to the user insert the data, and after that the get ID have follow the function. They have saved the data and show here. We want print the output here. The get data is insert the input, and get ID is show the output. Okay, that the function. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Today I'm going to present a mini project for the subject basic computer programming. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Ikram bin Jamaluddin. My metric number is 1910909997. So the mini project we built for the basic computer programming is the library management system. What is the library management system? The library management system, one system we build for add a book, delete a book, save and record. Sebagai contoh, sesuatu perpustakaan ingin menambah buku baru, maka boleh tambah buku dalam sistem. Dia sangat mudah. Juga boleh record senarai peminjam buku. So itulah yang dinamakan sebagai the library management system. Okey, seterusnya saya ingin membentangkan mengenai problem statement ataupun penyataan masalah. Penyataan masalah untuk mini project untuk basic computer programming ni adalah yang pertama sekali adalah book searching is take a long time. Kalau kita tengok untuk students, khususnya student untuk mencari buku di library ataupun perpustakaan mengambil masa yang lama kerana mereka perlulah mencari buku-buku tersebut di satu-satu rak. Yang keduanya, yang kedua iaitu borrow books are difficult to monitor. Kalau kita tengok sebelum ni peminjam yang meminjam buku dekat library, susah untuk kita monitor buku tu. Kadang-kadang ada yang ambil terus tanpa pengetahuan, dan juga ada yang ambil terus pinjam tapi tak bagi balik. Tapi dengan sistem ni, kita bangunkan satu sistem di mana buku yang kita pinjam ni senang kita pantau. Yang nombor 3 ialah difficult to generating reports and takes a long time. Itulah yang yang keempat, the data can easy to lose. Kalau kita tengok dulu kalau kita pinjam buku dekat library, dia ada satu kad kat belakang. Satu kad tu kad tu senang hilang lah kalau kita tak gunakan satu sistem yang terbaru ni. Dan yang kelima kali, banyak berlaku transaksi yang tak boleh dipercayai. Sebagai contohnya, ambil buku tanpa pengetahuan pihak library lah. Okey, untuk objektif mini project basic computer programming ni yang kami namakan sebagai the library management system, yang pertama sekali ialah book searching is faster, time and effort saving lah. Kalau kita tengok dekat library, kalau kita nak cari buku, kita kena cari rak by rak. Lepas kita cari rak by rak, baru kita boleh tengok satu persatu buku yang mana yang kita cari. Tapi dengan menggunakan sistem ni, dia cepat, menjimatkan masa dan menjimatkan tenaga lah. Sebagai contoh, kita pergi je dekat sistem ni, kita masuk dalam sistem ni dalam komputer, kita tag nama buku yang kita cari. So kita akan jumpa rak dia dekat mana. So mudah menjimatkan masa. Yang keduanya, yang mana meminjam buku dekat library ataupun yang kedua, borrow books are always monitored as well as due dates. Okay, yang mana meminjam buku dekat library, senanglah kita nak memantau. Sebagai contoh, kalau kata dia tak pulangkan pada masa-masa yang telah ditetapkan, boleh juga kita pantau buku tu. Yang ketiga, generating reports is faster, time and effort saving. Kalau kita menggunakan sistem ni, jadi kita nak buat report peminjam-peminjam ataupun buku-buku yang masih ada di library sangat cepat, menjimatkan masa dan menjimatkan tenaga. Yang keempat adalah important library records are placed in a secure storage. Kalau kita tengok dulu, macam saya kata tadi, kalau kita tengok dulu, di mana kalau kita pinjam buku dekat library, mesti ada satu kad di belakang yang tulis tarikh pinjam, nama peminjam dan tarikh pulang. Tapi kad tu kalau kita tengok senang hilang lah. Jadi bila menggunakan sistem ni, jadi rekod-rekod peminjam, juga due date peminjam selamat dalam sistem. Yang kelima, bila wujudnya satu sistem ni, maka wujudlah dia human error are avoided and transaction are reliable. Bermaksud apa, dalam bila kita menggunakan sistem ni, dia mengelakkan kesalahan manusia dan juga transaksi tu dilakukan dengan telus. Tak adalah pembohongan. Jadi tak ada pembohongan dan tak adalah kesalahan manusia. I think that's all for me. Thank you so much. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to our beloved teacher, Mr. Azwan and Mr. Yamin. I would like to say thank you for lending your time and knowledge, also giving advice in this our project. So, my name is Faik Ikram Rahman Faik Azman. Matrix number 1910911012. I would like to present to you about our library management system project source code. Let's start.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to everyone. So we have a few function here. So for a library management system, this project consists of 6 departments, which is science, physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics and history. This department works simultaneously with the function mentioned here. We can add a book to the science section, delete a book from the physics section, or view issue book details of the biology section. So in this library management system mini project, we have decided a few function, which is void return function, void main menu, add books, delete book, void edit book, void search book, void issues book, void view book, and void close application. Not forget void go to xy and tx and ty. Also, we have add a password for this library management system application. The password is fixed, and in order to change the password, we have to change it in the program, which is here, student 1. This is one of the limitation of our project, because we didn't create any file to save password. Instead, we simply compare the string of fixed permanent password and enter one. So the current password is student 1. For the void main menu, which is the first function, we have a few categories here: add books, delete books, search book, issue book, view book list, edit books record, and also close application. So this function void main menu is used to display the main menu of this project. So user can make a selection which is they want to make. The next one is void add books. The function that add books. This function add book in a file. For that, the user need to select the department to which user want to add the book. The record saved in a file. When user enter one of the option, the category will automatically save in the books record. And the next one is void delete book. This function is function that delete item from the file pointer 5p. In delete book option, the user should enter the ID of book which he want to delete. User must know the book ID he want to delete. In the program, find the books according to the ID entered by user. In library, it will display the information, all the information about the books, and also ask the user, do you want to delete it, yes or no. The book will be deleted if he enter the while -y the record is successfully deleted. Otherwise, no, the record will show, it will appear no record found message. So to delete book, we create a temporary file and copy the entire item from the record file to temporary file except one which user want to delete. After this, we remove the record file and rename the temporary file as record file. Void go to sy and ts and ty in the bracket. This function is one of the important one used in many project on the library management system in C, because this function allows you to print text in any place of screen. Basically, it will coordinate the text where you want to put the text in. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to my video. And today, in this video, I will continue with my mini project library management system. So I will explain with you detailing about the coding, 3-part coding, which are search book, issue book, and view book list. So let's go. Okay, now I will explain with you about the coding search book. For the search book, I use two functions, which are function for switch case and if else. For the switch case, as you know, switch case is allow a variable to be test for equal again a list value, and the value is called case. And for the search book coding, I will use two case. For case 1 for ID and case 2 for name. So for case 1, after you select the option, for case 1, you need to key in the ID number. After that, we use for if, for single statement. When the book has in the record the library management, and the and output we display the book is variable, and we show you the detail about the book, name, also quantity, price, and rank of book, location where is your book in the library. And when the book cannot has in the library, the output will show you no record found, and you should try other search. Yes or no. When you key in Y, yes, you need to key in back from the previous, and when you say no, we will back for the main menu. For the case 2, it is same but change for what we call for ID to name. Same, we use you need to key in the name book, and then we display when the book has in the record, we show you the book is available, and we show you detail. And if the book cannot has in the record, we show you no record found, and you should try other search. And when you say no, we back for the main menu. So the F will be closed. The record in the system will be closed. And then I will explain detail about the issue book. For the issue book, function the issue book from the library. For the issue book, we use for same switch case for 4 switch case. One is issue a book, and second view issue book, third search issue book, and fourth remove issue book. For the issue book, first case 1, you need to enter the book ID, and then the file F open will be open. What we call the record in the library management will be open, but you cannot you cannot be write because we use for RB for just read. Alright, okay. And then when you and we show you the book is available, and then we show you there are 5 answers book in the library, and name of book and the name of student we issue the book. Okay, understand? And then we show you and then we when you issue the book, we show you about the date, how long you borrow the book, this part of, and then we show you due date, when you be return the book. When you have no book, the output will display no record. And when you put end, for no, the book will be closed and back to the previous display output. And last but not least, I will present detailing about the view book list. So the view book list is so simple to understand and so easy for user to use. For example, when you select for the what you call show the list, and the output will display the category, ID, book name. Okay, and the last part I will present, which is the view book list. So when you select the option view book list, for example like this, the coding will open the F open buyback date for that means this for record in the library management will open in the RB. RB that means you cannot be edit, you cannot be write, you just read. You understand? And the view book will show you the category, ID, book name, authors, quantity, and price. Like that, I will show you. Like this. Category, we show you ID, book name, and then the quantity will be at total book, and we show you at like that. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Much sikit.